Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-36C, the boiler whistle valve spring for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go Advanced, MMGS, open part MMGS up. Okay, so let's go to top plane, sketch. We've got the circle in. That's going to be 5mm diameter. There we go. 5. There we go, helix. So we exit out of the sketch. There we go to feature, curves there, go down to the helix, type, click there, and we want that to be, actually we want height and revolutions. So height will be 13.5 and it'll be 10 coils. And okay, there it is, beautiful. Now we want to put a where we start that one. Actually, if we go to that's sketch. We change that to, click on that, construction. How's that look? It's a sketch. It must be a circle. There we go. Learned something today. So it cannot be a construction line. It's got to be a circle. I think it's got to be something like that. There we go. Oh, circles. Oh, actually, circle disappears. Okay, that's cool. So on the point of this, we want a plane. Secondary point is going to be there. Oh, what happened? Where'd it go? There it is. Which is parallel. That's good. Oh yeah, perpendicular to the line there. Come on, click OK. Thank you. So now, this one here we want to sketch. And we'll put a circle there. I think you actually could just add a circle there, but let's do the plane that we know got right. Oh, circle. Thank you. And that circle is going to be 1 mil. Let's keep doing that. 1 mil. Now we want to go feature, sweet boss base is what we want. So circle will be that one, and the path will be that one. And okay. There we go, beautiful. That plane, let's just hide it. See the helix we don't need, so let's just hide it. Do not delete it, just hide it. And there's that spring done. Obviously thick, but that's what it says. It says 6.5 from out there, 5.5 in the inner, which is 1 mil difference. So that's what it shows. It looks awfully thick though, but we'll sell with that. And we're going to change that to brush metal. There we go. Make something different. So that's part 3-36C, the boiler whistle valve spring done. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Leave any comments. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.